Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speed lesson, looking at lesson number 24, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow: arrange, viakanya, 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 viakanya. Both, bobedi, 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 bobedi. Stand up, emelela, 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 emelela. Determine, woncha, 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 woncha. Encourage, hlohleletša, 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 hlohleletša. Or go tutuetša, go tutuetša, go tutuetša, go tutuetša, go tutuetša. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020.